Hey friends, check this out. This is the 3-in-1 magnetic bracket wireless fast charger. It's a power bank, and I'm going to show you why this extra 3-in-1 feature is so critical for our travel needs. Now, really quickly, you can see it's got a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, 20 watt capability for charging, and that is using the PD fast charging. And then the 15 watt wireless fast charging. Now that 15 watt is when you're using the magnetic capability of just sticking it on the back there, whereas the PD 3.0 charging uses a USB-C. And again, you need to plug it in directly if you want to use that fast charging capability. Now inside the packaging, you're going to find the main power unit. We'll take a closer look here in just a second. You're going to find a USB-C charging cable. It's USB-C on both ends. And then you're going to find a little instruction manual. Now, taking a closer look at the actual power bank here, you can see it's really well designed. It has a really nice raised area for the magnetic ring. Again, you can put a cell phone directly on here, or what I love, the Apple Watch can go directly on here too. That's super critical for me because I'm constantly running out of power on my watch. On the side, we've got our USB out port, and this is what's going to allow us to charge devices using that USB-C. Now this power port actually is what you're also going to use for your charging input. So it's both input and output. If you need to charge up the device after the battery's been drained, again, you'll use this charger to do that from your wall outlet. Now on the back, we have a few things. We actually have an open circuit board so you can see a little more information. And then I'll try to get a little closer on these different lights that light up. We have 100% all the way down to 25% light indicating how much battery is left. And then we also have the charging light indicators over here. This is going to be the PD fast charging. And then the far left is going to be the wireless magnetic charging. Now we also have this really nice stand, and this stand can be used in multiple different ways. The first is if you're holding your phone, you can actually stick your fingers through this and use it like one of those little ring loops to help give you stabilization, prevent you from dropping it. And then this also acts as a stand in multiple directions. You can see we can have it in the vertical, standing straight up like this with a cell phone. You can also sit it down like this so that things are at an angle in the horizontal. And the stand can be moved over in this direction as well if that's easier for you, potentially to keep things centered or to have more of an angle back here in the vertical. Now again, one of the things that I really love about this specific charging block is it's not just for your phone, but you can actually charge your Apple Watch, as well as a few specialty headphones that allow for the magnetic charging. Now, one of the things I did find with this specific watch band on my Apple Watch is I wasn't able to have it fully connected and swing around to hold it securely enough. So I had to take off one end of my watch band. And then doing that, I can then easily put my watch onto the charging block to let it charge. So to do that, what we need to do is turn on the little power button here. You can see if I just push it once, we get a green light flashing. It takes just a minute for the lights to light up. You can see we're at 75% right now. And then I'll go ahead and put that watch onto the charging block. And as you can see, it will power up and begin charging. Now, as far as an iPhone goes, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. You can actually, again, set this right on top of that MagSafe area, and it can be set on the corner of a desk in the vertical like this for your notifications. But the way we really like to use this is in the horizontal like this on airplanes. And basically that just allows for a really nice screen watchability for movies or the shows that we've downloaded. And as you can see, again, it just stands up really nicely like on your tray table, or quite frankly, anywhere with a table where you want to watch a movie hands-free. Again, it will be charged right here on the dock as you're able to view the screen. So there you go, friends, a cool little product, 3-in-1 portable charger. You can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself. Stay tuned, we got a ton of these tech tutorial videos. We show you products that are out there to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.